Hi guys, it's February. I'm thinking to do something for the Valentine, like some red, some flowers, some roses, some self-love, self-care, some makeup. So that's all combined into one photo. And I'm going at my favorite place, which I really love. And I'm taking two of my friends with me, and they are gonna help me to take the photos which I am looking for this. So this is the one bag, two bag, three bag, four bag. I'm taking my Red Bull in my hand. Sorry, bed is still messy. I'm gonna fix it before leaving, and I'm gonna pick up my phone. I'm keeping my phone in this. So there's one more bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and that there's a clothes in the other room. So I'm taking like a 4 small bags. I couldn't make a big bag, but I like this 4 small bags, so that one at the one thing, like one it's clothes and bag, the other is makeup and like the other accessories, and one is a complete camera bag, and one is like my personal, what we say, the purse thing. And I'm gonna carry the clothes, like I have what we say, steamed the 3 outfits. So I'm gonna pick up in my hand, and that's it, I guess. So that's how it's gonna be. I'm almost ready. I'm wearing this Zara top and Zara jacket, and I'm wearing this PJ. I don't remember from where I got this. Let's go downstairs because people are reaching, and my room is a mess. I have to ask my mom to fix it. Okay, finally I'm in the car. We both guys are ready. There's one more person, the friend of mine, who was supposed to come around 11:30. Still on way.
We both are wearing black.
We both are wearing black. It always happens, we match up. Anyways, don't look at my abs. So I'm saying, यहाँ पे flower मिलेगा. We're trying to get some prop for the photo shoots. So we are thinking more of the innovated way. Maybe some flower, the bouquets, which works well. And I'm thinking to wear lenses. Maybe that would be a beautiful way of collecting some more pictures. So I'm gonna do my own makeup, and I'll show you how you can do your makeup, and maybe I'll post that on Instagram. You can see that. Till then, I'll just get some flower and a good bouquets, and let me think more what other things I can take it. Maybe some sparkling stuff. Like, let's see how it goes. We are trying to get more things, and yeah, we'll go together for it. So we got our flowers. We got some roses, and the red roses, the pink roses, and there is the sunflower, and there's one colorful one, and there's this one, and this is the orchid, beautiful orchid. We'll do some creative stuff with these things. Let's see. Finally my friend is here, and he's gonna work from the car today while I'll be driving for Lonavala, and Farkan is sitting behind right now. While coming back he would be agay, है ना? हाँ ना ना? What? No worries. Okay, let's. We got a traffic over here for like few minutes or something. There's like a little bit.
Some sort of
पुराना vlogger. So देखो ये स्टोरी बताएगा कि इसके साथ मेरा फर्स्ट ब्लॉग कैसे बना था.
So we started working in CCD. टाइम पास था, started यूथ था, थोड़ा पैसे खर्चा करने के लिए पैसे जॉब चाहिए. We started working there. So we had this training session in, I guess, in Vikhroli, 24 Parkside. So we were sitting in the training room, chilling auto. She was the only one girl in our training. So we were.
Can you believe I was alone?
She was the only one. We thought she's a boy, but then later on we came to know she's a girl. Later on we realized when we got the ID card, it said S for female. I said, okay, she's a girl.
Americano, yes. My throat is not well. In Della and Parsi Parsi Daba, which I didn't like it. We are going for our other restaurant, which is 24 Cafe. We are shifting there. I want to ask you guys. Did you like the lunch
No.
at this location?
No, no.
What was the worst part?
Everything.
Please.
This is a big controversial stuff for saying it. It was pretty good. Just few of the stuff was not our type. Now we are walking towards the other location. Hello. We were there in the Della for our lunch, and I really liked the lunch at that moment. And the other two of my friends didn't like it. So after Della, we had like 1 hour and 2 hours we filled up in that place. It was amazing to chill out in Della, to be very honest. And now I'm driving towards the exit area of Lonavala, where we can see the sunset. I thought first to go for a Tiger Point, but later I realized better we go here, and then from there we'll go back to home. So the place where we are going, it's usually the exit area from the Lonavala. We'll take some picture, like a 1 and 2 if I wanted to post it. That's up to the thing if I want to. And then like we'll just go back home. That's the end of our evening, end of our day. Bye, Harsh.
Bye.
Thank you
So
for
we'll meet-
joining me.
Yeah, we'll meet soon.
Yes.
Take care. Enjoy. Keep rocking.
उसकी लाइट मिस हो रही है, वो अंधेरे में चला गया. You look like a ghost right now. Bye hi. Bye hi, I'm saying. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys really like it. Do share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, don't forget to press the bell icon. And bye. Love you all.